Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, shut off the breaker and confirm the circuit is dead with a tester. Do not guess. Next, remove the old switch and note wires, line, load, neutral, ground, and photograph the connections for reference. Once done, prepare the smart switch by loosening terminal screws and confirming the device firmware sticker. Make sure your phone is on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and you have the app installed. This is the first actionable step toward pairing. You now wire the switch precisely. Attach the line hot to the live terminal and the fixture conductor to load. Connect neutral to the neutral terminal and ground to ground. Once secured, perform a gentle tug test and neatly fold wires back into the box to avoid pinching. Then, power the circuit briefly to confirm the switch flashes its pairing LED. After that, power off again, open the app, log in, select the correct model, and follow the app's 3-step pairing flow. You finish by restoring power and testing both the physical switch and app control. Make sure toggles and schedules respond. Next, secure the faceplate, check for and install any firmware updates, and name the device in the app so voice assistants can find it. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reboot the router and ensure you are on the 4 GHz network, then reset the switch using the manual's reset sequence and re-attempt pairing. That fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.